Hi, today I'm going to make this butterfly pea flower. Very easy to make and really very pretty. Materials being used are crepe papers in dark green, light green and off-white creamish color, thick wire, some thin wires. This is blue colored fabric paint, but you can use any liquid color like ink or anything. This is green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the center. This is 1 by 1.5. Cut one piece per flower. This is of petal A. This is 3 by 2 centimeters and the stem is 0.75 by 0.75. Cut one piece per flower. This is of petal B. This is 5.5 by 4 centimeters and the stem is 1.5 by 1.5. Cut one piece. This is of the leaf, or rather the leaflet. This is 4 centimeters by 1.75. Cut 5 pieces per leaf. This is of the sepal. This is 2 by 1.5. Cut 1 piece per flower. Now take both the petals. So I'll start with the bigger one first. And just take this ink-like color and put it on the petal like this. So it will spread on its own. So color like this, leaving a little kind of a circular area in the center. And leave it to dry. And similarly on the smaller petal, just color the edges. Like so. So this also I'll leave to dry. So now just cut a piece of thin wire. So this would be around 6.5 centimeters. Take the piece for the center. Just stretch it. Apply glue. And just put it on top of the wire. Like so. Now take the petal A. First just fold it in half, giving a sharp crease. Then just holding like this from the center point and put your finger behind it and stretch it like so, curving it outwards so it becomes like this. And similarly on the other side. So it curls like this. So now just apply glue on the center area first, a little, on both these flaps and on the stem. Keep this like this, fold it over so it sticks both the flaps. Holding it like this, just twist the stem. So it looks like this. Then take this bigger petal, fold this also in half, give a sharp crease, and then just the same manner stretch it. So you get a slightly bumpy petal like this, and then just stretch the sides. Like so. Now just apply glue, mainly on the stem, a little bit like this. Hold this portion and then just twist the stem. It closes like this. Now this is the sepal piece. So just apply glue. Look like this. Take a bit of the green tape. So this is how it will look. Now just hold this point and open out the petal. And this is how the flower would look. For the leaf, cut a small bit of wire. So this is just about 3.5 to 4 centimeters. It should be just long enough that it exceeds about 1 centimeter from the leaf, like so. So take a little bit of green tape. Wind it like this. Take the leaf. Just apply some glue in the center. And stick it like this. Like this. So I've made the others in the same way. So now just take a slightly longer wire. This is about 11 centimeters. Take some slightly longer piece of tape, green tape. So these leaflets don't have any extra stem. So I'm just going to start from the base of the leaf. Just put the leaf on top of the wire like this, wind once and put the other one. I'll just open out the leaves. The lower leaflets are opposite to each other, and there's one on the top, like so. Now take another piece of thin wire. This would be again another like 10 or 11 centimeters long. Take some green tape. Just wind it on the wire. So I've already made the other two. Now to take a longer piece of the green tape. Stretch it. So on top of the wire, first take this thin wire that we'd prepared. Then take a flower. And then take a leaf. And come down about 2 inches. And again I'll attach this. One flower. And one leaf. And then again. So this way you can make more branches coming out if you wish. So now I'll just open it up. You can have the leaf like this. And this wire that we made, you just bend it so it curls. So these are the climbers. Basically, it's a vine. This plant climbs with the help of these. Like so. So this is how it will look.